What is the reason why you fixed this generator?
Because this generator
Is
is change the old generator in Bangka.
Ay,
Generator.
this generator will go to Bangka?
Uh,
Why? What is
Because
wrong with the other generator?
the oil
The oil is
leak here.
leaking.
Yeah.
So my brother is slow. His English is already slowly improving. He just learned it from his childhood. Every time my father or our neighbor is fixing something, they always just watch, and then they